In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find page notifications in Meta Business Suite. If you manage a Facebook page through Meta Business Suite, notifications are one of the easiest ways to stay on top of activity. They can alert you to important updates, interactions, or account-related changes, so knowing exactly where to find them can save you time and help you respond faster. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and look for the Notifications option in the interface. Go ahead and click on Notifications. This will take you to the area where Meta collects updates related to your page and business activity. If you check this section regularly, it becomes much easier to monitor what's happening without needing to search through different parts of the platform. Once you're inside the Notifications section, you can use filters to narrow down what you're seeing. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of activity coming in or if you manage more than one type of task throughout the day. Filters help organize the notification feed so you can focus on the items that matter most at that moment. For example, if you're only trying to review a certain category of updates, using the filters can make the list much easier to scan. This can be a big time saver and helps reduce the chance of missing something important. If the notifications you expect to see aren't showing up right away, the next thing to do is refresh the list. Simply click on Refresh to load updated notifications. This tells Meta Business Suite to check for the latest activity and display any new items that may not have appeared yet. Refreshing is useful if you've just completed an action, are waiting for a recent update, or want to make sure you're looking at the most current information available. A good habit is to check the notifications area periodically throughout the day, especially if you're actively managing messages, comments, ads, or page activity. And if the list feels crowded, remember that filters can help you quickly sort through the noise. That's all there is to it. To find page notifications in Meta Business Suite, open the Notifications section, use filters if you want to narrow the results, and click Refresh whenever you need the latest updates. Once you get used to this workflow, keeping track of your page activity becomes much simpler and more efficient.